This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Frushel. Immaculate, move-in ready, impressive corner lot home in Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club. This turnkey furnished, 3-bedroom plus den and flex room offer one of the largest open floor plan homes in this established, picturesque community. Many upgrades include new roof, 2019, hurricane impact windows and sliding glass door, as well as shutters for peace of mind and insurance costs. All new, wide plank, LVP flooring, 6-inch baseboards, recessed lighting, and ceiling fans throughout home, 2024. The updated kitchen is stunning, floor-to-ceiling cabinets, seamless quartz counters/backsplash, walk-in pantry, beverage fridge, and a spacious quartz island with views out the huge window, open to the family room and glass sliding doors to the over 1,000 square feet pavered, private, screened lanai. 2 AC systems, 1 to 2 ton west/new condensing unit for primary bedroom, 2020, and 1 to 4 ton main house system, 2024, new hot water heater, 2024. Primary bedroom is your inviting retreat with 2 built-in walk-in closets. Ensuite primary bath boasts a soaker tub, dual sink vanity, walk-in tiled shower and loads of cabinet storage. There are 2 other spacious bedrooms in this desirable split floor plan with plantation shutters. Second full bath is updated with herringbone accented walk-in shower, 2023, and raised granite vanity. To add more space, the flex room has 2 windows for natural light and storage/closets, can be a game room, craft room, extra office, air-conditioned storage. You decide. In addition, the DN office has built-ins, or you can easily transform this to a 4th bedroom if needed. The bright living space has no walls to block natural light and the easy flow of this home with unobstructed views to the peaceful lanai. Open the double glass doors from the screened in front lanai for an amazing cross breeze. Half bath is a bonus west/plantation shutters off of great room. Large indoor utility is roomy west/storage cabinets and sink. Beautiful, new outdoor landscaping and lighting, 2024, well water for irrigation, no water charge, 2-car extended side entry garage, and pavered driveway can accommodate 6 extra vehicles. The location of this home is prime. No need to ride to the club, just walk out your door, turn the corner and you are there to enjoy all the premier amenities this sought-after club offers, including the golf course modernization project that is underway, 18 holes redesigned by Kipp Schultes, planned to reopen in November 2024 and said to be one of the best on the West Coast when completed. Lighted Har-Tru tennis/pickleball courts, pro shop, well-equipped fitness center, bocce court, putting greens, driving range, fitness studio, sharing library, heated pool/spa, full-service restaurant/bar, meeting rooms, catering facility, outdoor dining patio, walking/biking trails, fishing, planned activities like yoga, mahjong, line dancing, and so much more.